Good morning, everyone. This is Willow from ACME Laser, and today is 22nd April. I'm in our factory for taking this video for you. All of these machines you can see are our 3-chunk tube cutting machine. This is the 3-chunk tube cutting machine. This one will be transported today. And this one is completed but waiting for transportation. This is a machine's bed. Maybe the chunk is 360, but it is in production. This is our 4-chunk tube cutting machine and will be transported to Germany. This is a customization. The loader is customization. It is not our standard. Waiting for transportation. And these are 3-chunk tube cutting machine waiting for production. Same one. And this you can see is our 3-chunk tube cutting machine.